With the advent of the era of Industry 4.0 and the rapid development of the cities in the near future, more efficient and intelligent machinery and equipment will replace manual operation. Connected manufacturing for industrial symbiosis is an opportunity and also is a challenge. In view of the trend, Qingdao Caodahai Machinery Company Limited has been focused on R&D, manufacturing, sales and maintenance of automation equipment, the industries of toy, home textile, sofa, garment, and so on. With refined manufacturing as the goal, based on clear manufacturing plans, we are emphasizing the quality of manufacturing. We have a number of national practical patents and design patents, as well as EU CE safety certification, National ISO 9001 quality certification, National Quality Integrity 3A brand enterprise, member entity of China Quality Integrity Enterprise Association, which became our honor and also our responsibility. Our brand is cultivated from quality, based on strict manufacturing concept, professional R&D team, and excellent craftsman wisdom. The company has brought many new breakthroughs to traditional industries. As a pioneer in the industry, Qingdao Caodahai Machinery Company Limited has the operation process in line with international standards, well-established multifunctional product system, advanced manufacturing technology, and refined production as the concept of work. We always carry out high-standard inspection for our products. Excellence is our pursuit. Quality is our basis. With production in an efficient manner, the company independently developed a series of equipment of different models and specifications, including cotton filling machine, cotton slitting machine, pillow filling machine, ball fiber machine, ironing machine, and so on, which have been highly regarded by the market and enjoy a high reputation in the industry. Not because the material is expensive, we would replace it with an inch of false content. Not for the work is complex, we would save a minor step of processing. Without competent machinery manufacturing techniques, there is no prospect of industrial development, and the premise of development is naturally inseparable from the spirit of artisans that is coherent from beginning till the end. We adhere to the quality of intelligent manufacturing and constantly innovate and improve. Qingdao Caodahai Machinery Company Limited always believed that quality is our faith, innovation is our pursuit, and only through a continuous technical innovation, the leapfrog development of Chinese machinery can be facilitated. With strictness as the standard, responsibility as the rule, detail orientation as the basis, we provide customers with the best products. Creating multi-dimensional value is the enterprise concept Caodahai Machinery has always insisted on. The three ideas of innovation, high efficiency, and quality go hand in hand. We encourage our employees to use theories as the assistants of practice, to keep a dynamic mind, dare to think and dare to do. We are continuously making improvement to prompt development with skills. With an open attitude, we conduct in-depth cooperation with customers in various industries. Our market is not limited to China. Products of Caodahai Machinery have been exported to Russia, the United States, Germany, France, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Brazil, and Southeast Asian countries, in service of hundreds of large and medium-sized enterprises. While realizing refined production to ensure product quality, we are devoted to meet customer demands, to improve our clients' interests, jointly creating a win-win and sharing industrial ecosystem to all parties.
专注机械制造，成就百年曹大海。
Focusing on machinery manufacturing towards the blueprint of Caodahai in the future 100 years.